And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how works this Toyota and Lexus cars fuel tank door switch, because this is so interesting and nice device. And let's go to look that closer. It really works so that when we look in here, this cable, this gray cable, it can be broken, and that's we have to open this switch in here. There's 10mm bolt what I need to next open. Okay, and there is my 10mm socket. And when I open that bolt, then we can look closer this switch. Okay, and there was nice bolt. And then when I move that little bit, in here, I can take this switch totally away in that way. And then we can look that closer. Okay, and then when we check this my switch, now I have to think that I have to look that how this cable moves. And if this moves in that way and it is in this connection, everything is fine. But then sometimes this small spring, this can be broken. Spring, sometimes this can be broken in that way, or it is like lost. And then there can be happened to be so that when this part is away, this small spring in that area, then this cable in here, that one, it can be lost, like in, now I take, it is like damage, or in this is normal situation, that cable is like away, and even that we try to move that switch, nothing happens. And that's we can connect this cable back in here in this position, in this slot, in just, it goes only one way in here, and then a little bit press down, and now it's like position. Good. Okay, and then we have to test that how this our cable works, because sometimes this cable becomes old, and that's we take that away in here, and we have to move that in our fingers in that way, and we have to pull that totally out in this way. Okay, and then we have to go to look this back area, because now this front area is okay, and we can take even this switch in here, and we can go to look back area. Okay, and then when we go in trunk area, we have to take that side mattress in hard grip, and we have to move these mattresses away in that way, in this direction. We can see their inner area. Okay, and now when we look in that area where is this side, where is this fuel tank cover, we can see that there is one cable. What is just this our cable, this brown cable, this one. And now we only look at where this cable is going. And now when we look that cable, we can see that it goes in just in there, in that area. And let's go to look that area closer. And now we look that closer, and there is now really think that this brown cable, that one, this is our target. And now when we look that there is one specific switch what I have to manage to rotate in that way, and now when I took that away, now this cable lock is free. And now when we look that area, now my fuel tank door should be open, because this is this locking system in Toyota and Lexus car. This locks. And let's go to look closer.